Okay, so today we're going to talk about the special word EMF, or electromagnetic frequencies, or the radiation of those said frequencies. Well, a lot of times, whether it's for health purposes or just to be relaxed mentally about it, we take measures, and these devices we hold in our pockets, whether it's in your front pocket or back pocket, and most of the time it's sitting not more than a few millimeters from your skin. Now, let me turn on these devices really quick. And this phone, by the way, is in airplane mode right now, as you see right here. I'm going to turn off the airplane mode and see if any of these devices will start beaming something. Airplane mode is off, and as you see, they started going off for a brief moment, and they're still doing some of that EMF stuff. I'm waiting for it to kick in 5G, which should be in a second. And right now it's on 5G mode. And as you see, there's just a small touch that's pinging some information somewhere. Let me just open YouTube. And as you see, both of them changed the numbers a little bit. And I don't know, let me just go to video. And yes, as you see, there is some going on this one and nothing on that one. Okay, and let me turn this off. Okay, and flip the phone on the opposite side, on its face, and place this one on top of it. And as you see, the numbers go up and down because the antenna is still communicating those background notifications. This one should not really give us anything because this one is for higher magnetic fields, for like meters and stuff. So we will exclude this one, and we'll put this one directly on top of our phone, wherever the antenna might be here. And if you look at it, sometimes it pings, sometimes it doesn't. As you see right now, it's quiet, completely quiet, and now it just goes boom to the fullest. Now, you are not going to be able to walk around with a aluminum foil like that to put it in your pocket and completely block it, or a coffee bag that has aluminum inside, or any of that. One way to solve this is, let me turn these off now so we don't waste battery, and take one of the covers that you use for your phone. This is just a regular cover. Yeah, it looks bad here, but it's adhesive that I stick it to the magnet. Yeah, I don't have Apple, so ridicule me in the comments. So what we're gonna do is gonna put either aluminum foil from this part here, for example, or you can use one of these. It's aluminum tape that's used for HVAC and all that stuff. Let me put this aluminum foil over the phone. Let me just cut a piece with my bare hands. And let me put it over. This is not very scientific, but we'll see if it does anything. And as you see, the meter is not really spiking anything. Now there might be other wireless things going on around the room, but I can do nothing about it. Let me take the aluminum just to see if it's a fluke and see if it spikes now without aluminum. And as you see, yes, it went in and out. Put the aluminum back on, and it's definitely more relaxed. So let's take this out of here, and let's try the other one, since we have both of them here. Okay, milligauss. And let me put it on top here. And as you see, it's staying 0, 0. I'm not sure if the camera is showing. Now, there might be other wireless, as I said, around the room, so it's not always just the phone. And okay, let me take this out. And as you see, the moment I took it out, there is some small spike. And yeah, there's a big spike too. Okay, without wasting your time and mine, let's do something about it. In my case, as I said, I'm going to use the aluminum tape instead of just going on with a foil. So we will measure just a few pieces of tape. And yes, I'm just using this very generic phone cover. And we'll see if that does it. Okay, it will require a few pieces of this, so just have to be patient about it. Okay, so this will not win me any beauty contest right here, as you see. But I tried to line it as better as I could, on including the corners and all that. I opened the camera holes, the button holes here, the unlock, the top microphone, the bottom microphone, the audio jack, charger, and the speaker. So the functionalities should be as expected. Now let's just drop the phone inside here and, well, let's hope it fits first. And we are good to go. It fits as intended, just how it was before. Not sure if you can see that. It is really good. And now let's check the 5G or 10G ability, whatever you want to call that, just like we did before. Yes, it's still spiking a little bit, but it's not going to the red. yet. Let's give it a minute. Maybe that's about time. So it's so far not going to red like it did before. Now it will not block it 100%. That's just next to impossible because you have waves going all around. There's waves that come to your phone across here. This is just strictly from the phone itself when it's in your pocket and it's kind of against your skin. That's all you're protecting here. If that's what you believe is happening, that's always, it's kind of a split discussion. I'm on neither side. I'm a tech guy, so I'm not gonna go away from 5G, unfortunately or not. Let me try the other meter. Okay. So far, it's not doing anything major. It's staying within the lines, not going to red. And I think it's working for whatever it's worth, if that was your goal. So, I don't know. It's kind of harmless to try if you want to. Do the aluminum lining behind your phone case and see if that works for you. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. And please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.